We are reading for the sign of Sagittarius from now until the end of the month. So, what you guys can possibly expect? Welcome back to the channel. So, let's see what is going on with you guys. One card for what is happening with you. Okay, right now with Page of Wands, I believe you guys are definitely chatting with someone, messaging someone, or there is some sort of communication. But you guys are definitely looking forward to something. I don't see you holding back in any which way or form. Okay, give me one more card for what else is happening in your life currently. With Six of Swords, I believe you guys have walked away from the past and you guys are possibly wanting to move forward towards something new. We have Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely moving forward towards something new in your life. Okay. With Six of Swords, you guys are moving on from the past towards something new. Knight of Pentacles is always about something new. Okay. Regarding your finances, what's happening with your finances currently? Okay. Regarding your finances, you guys are at crossroads. It is not like something negative. It is just that you guys are waiting for something better. Okay. Overall, I see you guys doing fine financially. With the Moon card, there's certain things that you are very uncertain about. Okay. Some things unknown. You may have certain fears about how some things will turn out, but that is fine. You know the like life is always a mystery, right? So you guys need to like possibly stay open to it. But what else do we see coming up in the sign of Sagittarius? With Queen of Pentacles, I see you doing well financially. Okay, just try to nurture the idea that you have. If you have a certain idea, just nurture it to a point that it possibly moves forward. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, I also see you guys in the year ahead possibly getting more financial gain. If it's not that, you could be getting a promotion. If it's not that, there could be a solid pay raise. Okay, so yes, regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? Regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? Sagittarius soulmate, what are they up to? Okay. Regarding your soulmate with Knight of Cups, this person, whoever he or she, might have come forward. Okay, and I believe you guys are definitely moving forward towards relationship. Even if you are not very sure about them, they are very sure about you. With the Fool card, this person will be taking a leap of faith towards you, that jump forward. Okay, how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? One card for. With Ace of Pentacles, they think like you're the real deal. Okay, finally someone sees your worth. Okay, what are they wanting to offer you? What are they wanting to offer you currently? What are they wanting to offer you? Okay. With Eight of Wands, this person as of now wants to start off communication, fast forward communication. Okay, things are going to move in really fast. Very passionate about you, taking you very seriously. Feelings, yes. Okay, one card for their energy towards you. One card for their energy towards you. Energy towards you is 10 of cups. This person possibly thinks of forever with you. Okay, this person is looking forward to this relationship, possibly even planning a future with you. Okay, with 8 of cups, in the past I believe this person could have walked away from something, if it's not a relationship, a past situation. Okay, so how do they view you now? How do they view you now? In terms of how they view you now, they see a solid change in you. Okay, we have the Death card. They see a solid change in you. With Eight of Cups, they could be feeling that you walked away from something. Possibly, you chose yourself over like whatever heartbreak that you are going through. You have finally learned the lesson, and you're a better person now. Okay, altogether. One more card for their feelings towards you. How do they truly feel for you? With Six of Cups, this person definitely considers you a soulmate. Okay, there is genuine love here. One more card for how they see you as a partner. As a partner, but I believe right now this person could still be feeling like you're not a very much a risk taker. You're also an overthinker. A part of them also believe that you may not be completely moved on from the past. Okay, a part of you is still fearful of accepting offers or accepting relationships. Okay, like because of like whatever shit you have been through in the past. Okay, otherwise they see you as being very attractive, someone who they wish to be in a relationship with. Okay, one card for what's going to happen next for the next 2 weeks. What's going to happen next? With Three of Cups, I definitely see that you guys are going to come together. If this is a new person, I see this possibly blooming forward, right? Like right off, it may be a friendship thing, but it is definitely going to move forward. With Five of Cups, you guys are finally getting over the past. It is not like completely done. I would say 65 to 70% done, but 30% still remains. Okay, not completely over. One more card for what you guys can possibly expect throughout the next 15 days. Okay. With Ace of Wands, definitely new beginnings in your life. Definitely big yes. So for now, where is it moving forward? For now, where is it moving forward? For now, we see Seven of Pentacles. So I believe you're not going to jump forward. You're possibly going to take your time, like before making a move. But I certainly see like possibly romance blooming between the two of you. Okay, with Ten of Wands, darling, you're holding on to the past. Please let it go. Do not hold on to the past. You're just going to sabotage a new relationship. Whatever past hurt you're holding on to, regardless of whether this is a past person, new person, you should let it go. Otherwise, you're just going to make things worse. Okay, you're just going to bring in more blockages. With Five of Swords, I believe. With Five of Swords, you guys need to let go of your fears, your insecurities, your certain need to dominate or control every situation. Okay, not everything needs your control. Not everything likes being dominated. Okay, so yes, one card for what do they want from you now? What do they want from you now? Currently, with the Hanged Man, possibly this person wants you to open up more. I believe they look at you as someone who's taking a way too much time before wanting to open up. Okay, with the World card, if there's a distance between the two of you, like there's a certain amount of distance, emotional or physical distance, and this person possibly wants to meet you in person. Okay, so that could happen. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, they definitely want more balance. Okay, so let's take their love messages now. Love messages from your person. What are they wanting to say to you now? I miss you badly. Okay, even if this person is around you, this might be a bit romantic, right? So I miss you. Like you can miss someone even like after talking to them all day. And that is love, I believe, right? One more card for what the person want to say to you. If there's no contact, then I mean this is a very much a guarantee that they miss you badly. I never said it before, but you mean a lot to me. So yes, possibly taking you very seriously. Okay. Last we have here is regarding your past person. I believe they stalk you. Okay, and I want to talk to you. So even the past person might want to talk to you. If this is not about your past, I believe if you even have let go of the past person want to talk to you. The problem is my karmic is the main problem. Okay, so if your person did not choose you, for those who your person did not choose you, your past person, the reason being the karmic. Okay, so yes, this was a reading for sign of Sagittarius, almost very much personal reading. Okay, so if it resonates, please consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel to grow. Okay, and get more views. Overall, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please visit my website. Thank you for coming in and thank you for your support so far. Cheers.